bawi mamaya. Oh, pare, ayos tayo!
Buhay po ito si number 20 na si Ramos. E pasa naman Concepcion. O ito naman, perimeter area, hits for the 3-point shot, wala. And boy, ito na po, Nesma attacking for the open zone. And number 11, number 11 bring the ball, it's Tobeo. 9 is here, to the left hand corner, shot, 5-6, the crucial shot here. Where amazing happens. And Concepcion is getting stealed by number 20, 51, leaving the ball here, Cuyacos. That is a ball on the next man, substitution. Serve for the back, number 8 out, number 8 from the Miami. Here, Paloma.
White ball.
Last touch, white.
Oh no, sorry, it's a green ball.
Hindi, white ball sila, white ball.
What's the decision, referee?
White ball, oh.
Referee, what's the decision?
White ball, oh. Yung malapit sa katotohanan, siya.
Tama kayo dyan.
O, sige na.
And number 20 fouls on number 22.
JJ.
It's a correctional. The number 20 is dribbling the ball. Correctable error. Pass to number 20. Pass number 20 Concepcion. Pass to the wide open na naman ito sa number 20. And pass to number 20 Concepcion. 5 seconds with the shot clock. Down to 3 seconds. Quickly passing for the last 1 second here. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Because of the 4 defense of the Nesma, lahat ng plano na diskaril dito ng Ami. And number 11 is here. And the lead is down to 6 points. Left hand shot. Wala. Try to make the dozen. Nahihirapan sa pressure dito sa backcourt. Ito Concepcion. Gripping the ball. This is a very good matchup. The Almighty says this is a fashionable game. Drive under the block against the number 12. It's a good. And number 11 looking for the open running here. Getting over from the half court. Oh, she loses the ball. She's down. And number 20 gets the ball here. Drives in, quick passes. Shut up again. But no basket. Very impressive. Foul number 7. Pushing foul. Titania. Second personal foul. Third team foul here in the third quarter. First team foul, so sorry. First person about third team foul. And the last 5 minutes and 52 seconds here with one impressive question here to the coach of both teams. How will they respond to this? Great guys, nasundot na naman. Ito naman si number 12. The scoring machine is here. And pass to number 11, Tobeo. Quick pass into pass up to the left. Shoot! Ano yung mga shot? Sumobra ang tira. And number 20 is Ramos. Zigzagging the alley lane. Oh my goodness. They're killing them softly on the score. And goes for the timeout here. And the last 5 minutes and